dog's nails can be very traumatic. Dogs generally do not like it. There are a few that tolerate it okay. Most of them don't like it at all and will try to fight you on it a little bit. So you really want to be careful. If you cut too deeply, you're going to cut this little blood vessel that's inside of the dog's nail. It's called the quick. And if you've ever cut a quick before, you know it bleeds a lot and it's painful and traumatic for your dog. So when you're cutting the dog's nails, always err on the side of caution. Cut a little bit less than you originally want to. Your dog is still going to have a lot of his nail left. You can't cut a dog's nail off all the way parallel with the end of his foot. You will cut the quick for certain. You can only cut off that little end pointy part. That's the part that is sticking out that doesn't have the quick in it, and it's safe to cut. Right? When a dog has black nails, you have to be extra careful because you can't see the quick. And never try to cut dog's nails if you don't have styptic powder. Styptic powder is the only way to get a dog's toenail to stop bleeding if you've nipped the quick. You will want this stuff around. It's only a couple of bucks. I always like to use this kind of nail clipper. My friend here has black nails. You cannot see the quick through them. So I've already cut this foot and you can see he still has plenty of nails left. I only took off the very tip. I'll actually clip this foot. So I only cut off the very tip. And we only cut off the very tip. When you're done, always check, put your finger over the spot where you cut, and make sure that there's no blood.